Have you ever noticed that almost every celebrity has a before and after picture floating around the internet? One day they are unknown, and the next day everyone says, wow, look at their glow up. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, why are we so obsessed with transformations? Is it really the makeup? Is it the money? Or is it something much deeper? Because today, while I recreate Megan Thee Stallion soft glam makeup, I want to talk about the transformation nobody can't Photoshop, the transformation that starts in your mind. I think most of us love glow up videos because they give us hope. We see someone who started with very little and became very successful. It reminds us that life can change. When we look at Megan Thee Stallion today, we see confidence, beautiful styling, polished makeup, and expensive hair. But we forget there were years of work before the world even noticed. The internet only celebrates the finished product. Social media's pressure. The problem is social media has convinced us that we always need another transformation, whether that's new hair, new makeup, a new body, a new wardrobe, a new face, which includes nose, chins, cheeks. And after a while, we start believing that we are never enough. And I know what that feels like. That you should never try to change yourself to please others to get validation. Because there's proving that you're not loving yourself. Confidence isn't sold. Look at Rihanna. Yes, her style has evolved. Yes, her makeup evolved. But what people remember most is her confidence. Confidence isn't sold at Sephora. Confidence isn't inside a wig. Confidence isn't inside hiding in foundation. Confidence isn't hiding inside of concealer. And it definitely is not lipstick. It's something that you build with your inner self. Because in the mirror, you look at yourself every day and you see what you can build on. And what you build on is loving who you are and not switching identity to fit the norm of society. You fit the norm of who you are, which God gave you, in which you look in the mirror and see each and every day that you're happy how you look, how you feel, and that's how confidence is sold. Not just by transforming and getting your identity changed. It's about loving your identity no matter what people say. They didn't become someone else, they grew. Let's take Doja Cat for example. If you look at her pictures from the beginning of her career, she looked completely different, not because there was anything wrong with how she looked, but because she was still discovering who she was as an artist. Her makeup became more polished, her hairstyles became more creative, her fashion became more daring and expressive. She started taking risks that fit her personality instead of trying to fit everyone else's expectations. But here's something I want all of us to remember. The biggest transformation wasn't her eyeliner, her wigs, or the designer clothes. It was the confidence that she developed to say, I'm going to be myself, even if everyone doesn't understand me. Because some people say, oh, Doja Cat, she's weird. She's not who she is in particular, that she's a different person. And that's the kind of transformation I think we should all be chasing, like not becoming someone else, but becoming more comfortable being ourselves, being in our skin. And it's okay that people may not relate to Doja or anyone in real life, because you will find people who will love you for you, and you fit in that particular circle, your environment, because you're not trying to put on this fake persona of trying to be liked, and you just being real and honest. The struggle with insecurity and self-confidence. Now let's talk about SZA. When SZA first came onto the music scene, she had a completely different style than she has today. Over the years, you have seen her experiment with her hair, her makeup, her fashion, the way she presents herself. But if you ever listen to her interviews or her music, you will notice something much deeper. She has openly talked about struggling with insecurity and self-confidence. And I think that's something so many women can relate to. Sometimes we assume that if someone is beautiful or famous, they never question themselves or never put themselves compared to another woman. But that's simply not true. Every successful woman have moments where they wonder if they're good enough. Are they pretty enough? Or are they light enough? That's why I always tell you, confidence isn't something you wake up with one morning. It's something that you build every single day by choosing not to let fear and people's opinion define who you are in life. Because it feel like if you let fear and anxiety overcome you, then who are you? What is your purpose in life? It's definitely not to be a follower. It's definitely to be a leader of who you are and what God made you to be. Stop comparing yourself. Comparing yourself steals joy. You weren't created to look exactly like another woman. You can admire someone's beauty, their beauty features without questioning your own. Every season of your life will look different, and that's growth, and it's not failure, because God created all of us as women different. There's something different with us and inside of us that no one don't know, and we shouldn't question ourselves instead of accepting who we are. And that's why when I look at women like Beyonce, I admire the years of growth, the discipline, the setbacks, the criticism, and the perseverance that help shape who they are today, which is Megan Thee Stallion, Cardi B, Doja Cat, and SZA. Because the real glow up isn't just what people see on the red carpet, it's the woman they became when nobody was not watching. Because this version shows that you can be anything you want to be, which is inside of you, not on the outside. But it's always you being confident with who you are. Maybe the biggest transformation isn't losing weight. Maybe it isn't buying luxury makeup. Maybe it isn't changing your hairstyle. Maybe the biggest glow up happens the day you finally believe you are already valuable. You're valuable. Makeup can enhance your beauty, which is true. But confidence changes your life. I feel like confidence comes with the makeup as well. If this message encouraged you today, let me know in the comments down below, what does a real glow up mean to you? I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to hype this video. And how did I look of recreating Megan Thee Stallion makeup glow up